Hi guys, welcome to tomtech designs. Now I will be guiding you on the use of PIXELLAB application for Android and for iOS, that is iPhone operating system. Now as you can see, the interface of this application is very user friendly and so easy and smooth. All you just need to practice and practice. Now check the description link for the other video, the second video to this, because this is going to be a series. I'll be taking you through the application to the professional, from the basic level to the professional level. Now with this application you can make various design, any type of design, either 3D, in 3D and in 2D. Now let's get started. Now if you are new here, consider subscribing and like the video. You can also share to your friends and family. Now let's get started. I'll start from the up, and you can see I will start from the left hand side. Now the pencil tool you see here is for adding so many things and to work on so many things. Now the pencil, the first one here precisely, is to add text, to put text to your whatsoever. You can see new text, you can close that and type something so easy, and after that you click done. Now this, let's say what I have here is in small caps, that is small caps. Of course you know about that, small caps. You can change everything to big caps, like capital letter. Like you can see, you can also use the trash bin to delete your text in case you make a mistake. Press OK. You can see now with this you can increase the size. Also we have here the T, the capital letter T, and the stuff to reduce and to increase the size. You can increase and reduce the size to your desired shape or size. Now the next one there, we have the adjustment. Now in case you want to adjust your text or your shape, this tools works for everything, shapes or whatsoever. You can use adjust to the sideways, downward, upward, center, the middle. You understand? You can see that everything is as easy as possible. Now next to that we have the layer one, in which in case you want to change your text backward or frontward. You understand? Now the other one, we have the copy sign. Of course you can see that the copy side, we have that, you can see. Now I want to show you how this works. You can use this to change to the backward sign. You can see it right there is backward, and you can also use this to change to the forward. So simple as it is. Now also we have the rotation tool. With this you can use to rotate your shape or your text as the case may be. You can see up to 180 degree and minus 180 degree to your desired shape. Now also with this bucket tool, you can see paintbrush is from what you can see, it means you can use it to add what color to your design. Yeah, you can change the color of the text or the shape to whatsoever thing you want. It's just so simple as it is. You can also use the gradient. You can see how cool that is. You can use the gradient too. You can use this plus button also to change the gradient to your desired wherever that you want. You can see that, so simple as it is. Now next to that, okay, we've talked about this. Now next to the pencil tool, we have the we have the trash can. We have the trash can, which depicts the delete key, with that you can delete your text or whatsoever element you have on your canvas. Now the next to that is the undo button. The limitation of this application is that it does not have redo button. You understand? That is, if you to move forward it doesn't have that, so you have to think twice before pressing the what undo button, because you won't be able to move forward with that, with your design on your design. So with this you can move backward. You can see tracing our steps backward. The next one is the zoom. With this you can what zoom off your design, and you can zoom in and zoom out. You can see that, so easy as it is. The next one we have here is the guide tool. We call it the guide tool. Why? Because it guides us. It's like a ruler that helps us to monitor our design, the orientation and whatsoever on the designs. Now next to this is the layer. The next video, check the description link below. There is a link to talk more on the layer of in PIXELLAB. I'll do more on that in the next video. Now the plus here is to have certain things. Like you can see, we have the text, we have the current date. You can put the current date. You can also delete using that. You can stickers. We have stickers. We have some emojis and stickers here, in which you can use probably in your design depending on what you are doing. You can see that, so easy as it is. We also have shapes, in case you want to add some shapes. Here you can change the shape. We have rectangle or square, as the case may be. You have circle, semicircle, arrow, and so on and so forth. With this you can change the radius of your shape, the opacity, that is the clarity of your shape, the color of your shape. So easy here. Here also we have the stroke width, that is the breadth of your walls, how thick your shape, your stroke is going to be. We have the opacity of, you can see opacity of the of the stroke here as well. The stroke color, the stroke edges. How do you want your stroke edge to be? From here you can see it's as easy. We also have the blur one, probably to add something like a shadow. We also have a shadow icon here. Anyway, we'll talk about that in our next video. Just do it to check the description link.